Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the 16 personalities. This presentation will explore the 16 personalities as explained and explored by Nearest Analytics Limited and my own interpretation of them. This presentation will look into the letters that make up the personalities as well as their meanings, the personalities themselves, how to identify these personalities, and how to work forward with any of these personalities. As explored by Nearest Analytics, each of the 16 personalities is made up of 5 letters. Each of these 5 letters corresponds to a different word and a different attribute to the 16 personalities. I stands for introvert and is opposite of E, which stands for extrovert. Each of these letters comes from the mind aspect of the personality and details how that personality type interacts with their surroundings. An introvert will prefer the company of themselves and to work by themselves, while an extrovert prefers the company of others and wants to be accepted by those groups. The next aspect of the personalities is the energy, and this describes how the personality processes information. The S stands for observant, people who are highly practical and down to earth. They focus on what is around them and how best to use that information. The N stands for intuitive, a group of individuals who are very imaginative and curious. These personalities work to see what the future can hold and how to get there. The aspect of nature determines how the personality makes decisions and copes with their emotions. The T stands for thinking, and this group focuses on objectivity and rationality rather than their emotions. The F stands for feeling, and these individuals focus on their emotions and expressing them in a more empathetic and less competitive light than the thinking types. The tactics aspect shows how the personality approaches work, planning, and decision making. The J stands for judging and holds individuals who are decisive, thorough, and prefer clarity and closure. The P stands for prospecting individuals, who are very good at improvising and spotting opportunities while keeping their options open. The final letter underpins all of the other letters and shows how confident the personalities stand. A stands for assertive, grouping together all of the personalities who are self-assured and have high confidence. The T stands for turbulent. These individuals are more self-conscious and sensitive to stress and will experience a wide range of emotions. Nearest breaks the 16 personalities into 4 distinct categories. The analysts include the architect, logician, commander, and debater. Each of these 4 personalities pursues knowledge and intellectuals. The diplomat is the next category. Included are the advocate, mediator, protagonist, and campaigner. These personalities look to lead and help anyone who needs it. The third category are the sentinels. Included is the logician, defender, executive, and the consul. They look to work for people or with people and help with any issue they need to. The final category are the explorers. This includes the virtuoso, adventurer, entrepreneur, and the entertainer. Each of these personalities work to be the eccentric 4 of the other personalities. In order to identify these personalities, communication and time spent together is necessary. It is also possible to take a day and create an outing of taking the 16 personality test. Once the ideology of the personalities has been stuck in your head, you'll begin to notice them in your coworkers and potentially yourself. Working with these personalities requires effort, just as working with other aspects of managing in life. Without communication and support, these personalities can become your worst asset and can potentially work against you. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I look forward to answering your questions in the comments below.